Hi, Terence. Thank you so much. I'll start with a quick introduction. We have with us Terence, CEO, TXOne Networks. Hi, Terence. Thank you so much. And we are in busy and crowded GITEX. I wanted to understand what is TX Networks doing at GITEX and what is your main focus here?
TXOne Networks is a cybersecurity company, but unlike other cybersecurity companies, they're protecting offices, cloud. We are protecting shop floor or plant floor for manufacturers and critical infrastructure operators. And in the GCC region, there are so many important infrastructures, such like power, utility, oil and gas, ports, and the smart cities. So that's why we are here and at the GITEX to showcase our solutions.
I'm sure. But let me take a step back now that we have the obvious question out of the way.
Okay.
I want to take a step back, Terence, and understand what got you personally interested in technology and cybersecurity.
Yeah, I mean, that's my major. I mean, my doctor thesis is about cybersecurity.
Oh.
But that's back to 1999, right? And the world becoming like IoT world, everything connect each other. But I think stepping into 2020, we are in the world of digital transformation. The machines, the equipment are now generating tons of data, and they need to send out those data. So with that, with intelligence operating systems, with network connectivities, so this equipment also, cannot, they will suffer the risk of cyber attack. But there was no solutions targeting this kind of, risk and the threats. So that's why we founded this company to address these special pain points.
But I want to go way, way back. Your interest in technology, did it start because of, a childhood thing, or was it something that you always was keen on? What got you personally interested in technology first?
I think I like technology, but I also like people.
Oh.
So it's mainly solving people's pain point. So for example, why we do cybersecurity for plant floor and shop floor? Because they are critical. So you think about it's a power utility. How if the bad guys, the state-sponsored hackers, cut down the power electricity in the winter with minus 20 degrees, how bad it could be, right? And so we did need to address those risks, especially given today's situation that geopolitical tension in many places. So I think it's not just about technology, but it's about improving the world, improving the safety. And it's not just maintain the safety of these operations, but also provide a way to accelerate the evolving of the whole world too.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So Terence, I just want to understand, when you talk about safety, evolution, technology today at its pace that it's evolving and changing is so fast, and especially with Gen AI, everyone, I remember this March at GITEX, everyone was talking about cybersecurity being an AI versus AI battle. What is your take on that, and how does TX Networks work towards this?
Yeah, so actually those AI technology or machine learning technology, those are the main reason why people need the technology to protect shop floor and plant floor, like what we are doing at the TXOne Networks. Because again, how you do AI, you need data.
Yeah.
How you do machine learning, again, data.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, so machine generate data, how? Machine used to be just physical. And how can machines send out the data with network connectivity? You don't send people with a pencil, with paper, write down the data, right? It's not efficient way. And you would lose competitiveness also. So I think AI, cloud, 5G are exact reasons why people need protections for their shop floor and plant floor.
Right. Where do you see the key trends headed now? We're towards the end of the year almost. Where do you see the key trends in cybersecurity and technology headed right now?
I think in terms of protecting shop floor and plant floor, very two clear trend. One is, you know, protecting that environment is important, but on the other hand, people need to pay attention to supply chain security and to product security, because in the end of the day, your operation is carried out by the machine, and machine is provided by somebody else, your supplier. So you need to make sure when you buy a new machine, there's no virus come with the machine. Otherwise, that virus could propagate to other machines to interrupt the operations. On the other hand, we also see a clear trend that people today need more than just visibility on what kind of machines you have or what are the associated risks with those machines. They need protections. They need special tools to secure those machines from being interrupted or manipulated by the bad guys. And so that's two things are happening today.
What can we expect next from TX Networks, Terence, and where do you see the future now headed?
Well, at this moment, this year, we are providing the solutions to many manufacturers or critical infrastructure operators to address their immediate needs, such like network segmentation, like endpoint protection. But we believe in the end of the day, cybersecurity is about governance. So you need to calculate where is the exposure, what are the risks, how to do the risk-based management. So we are composing a platform, and that platform will collect lots of data from our product or other people's product to provide a true view for the cybersecurity officer to do those governance. What is the most important thing for you to tackle right now? You know, prioritize those tasks. So that's where we are heading to.
My last question to you, what advice would you give tech leaders today as a CEO of a large company? What advice would you give young tech leaders today?
Yeah, I mean, take this opportunity. I mean, now AI is changing so many things, but also created so many opportunities. So we need to take on the opportunities and fight.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Terence.
Thank you for
you.
having me here.
I hope you have a great GITEX.
Thank you.